Okay, the other question that I'm solving is the one right below the previous question. On this one, I'm going to go ahead and recommend that before you even start to solve, go ahead and flip sides. What that's going to do is that'll keep you from having to flip it at the very end when we're graphing. So I'm going to put negative 4x plus 2, and then on the other side is a negative 10. Now remember, because I'm flip-flopping to put my variable on the left side where I want it, I also have to flip my inequality. So that's going to look like that. For some of you, that might make your life easier because there's a lot less flipping at the end. So here I draw my line, subtract 2 from both sides. Those will cancel. My negative 4x is brought down. Now over here I would set up my scoreboard if you're still a little bit uncertain. Panthers, ooh, they didn't get any points. The nobody's got 10 and the nobody's got 2, which makes a total of 12 points for the negatives. Then here I'm dividing by a negative 4, dividing by a negative 4. Now remember, because I'm dividing by a negative, at the very end, I'm going to have to flip-flop this sign one more time. Those will cancel. X, 4 goes into 12 3 times. And then I know a lot of you like to do the panda for the signs. So a negative divided by a negative leaves me with a positive, so my answer is positive. So like I said, I'm going to bring this sign down, but because I was reminded that I divided by a negative here, then I'm going to flip it back. So x is less than 3. That's my final answer. Now for those of you that are solving this as it's written, at the very end, you would have to flip this inequality symbol multiple times. So I would suggest go ahead and change so that your variable is on the left side, just like I did, sort of before you even start to solve. To graph this one, 3, 4, 2, this is not a closed circle, it's open, and the arrow moves to the left. Okay, just be very careful.